man accused of abusing a dog on camera was in court today. Police say he was seen in this video throwing a puppy in the air on Sale Avenue in the Taylor Berry neighborhood. He walks away after the puppy hit the concrete. Police say the puppy was hurt but is recovering. 34-year-old Coplen Lay is charged with felony torture of a dog. His bond was set at $5,000. He's due back in court September 30th. Jose Alonso joins us now in studio with reaction from an organization committed to shedding light on this kind of abuse. What are they saying, Jose?
Connie, they're telling me that this was hard to look at, but it's all too common. The organization is thankful that he could face more serious charges. The Kentucky Link Coalition, that's the organization, their goal is to break the cycle of abuse. They believe animal abuse could lead to domestic and child abuse as well, or vice versa. Now, we are about to play some of the audio from that incident. I want to warn you, what you're about to watch and hear of the abuse is disturbing. This surveillance footage shared by LMPD shows the moment 34-year-old Coplen Lay is seen tossing a puppy into the air and the animal landing on concrete.
My thoughts on he should be arrested for torture of a dog or cat, and it should be fully investigated, which it has been by LMPD, and correctly charged.
Founder of the Kentucky Link Coalition, Joy Keeley, has seen the video and says there is no excuse for this abuse. She's glad Ethan's law could make a big difference.
You may not intend to cause that type of harm to that animal, but your conduct was wanton enough that it would have if you just thought about it. So wanton is in there now, and there's a whole long list of examples of what constitutes torture.
Lay pleaded not guilty and is expected back in court at the end of the month. LMPD gave me this statement on Ethan's law. We have demonstrated LMPD takes the cruel and torturous treatment of animals seriously and will continue to do so. Ethan's law affords us more opportunities to hold those who feloniously mistreat animals accountable. This all circles back to Ethan the dog.
He was left outside the Kentucky Humane Society, and he was in such a state of starvation that he's lucky he survived.
The brindle-colored hound advocated for the law in Frankfort.
Ethan has been an example across the state of the suffering of animals in this state and the laws that are needed to correct that suffering and curtail that suffering.
Another dog, playfully named Morticia Adams, was also abused. The Kentucky Humane Society says she was rescued from a busy highway where someone witnessed her being thrown out of a moving car. She had an emergency surgery and was adopted on Thursday.
I just think that's phenomenal. I really do, because what they're doing is they're taking a victim of a crime, a serious, felonious crime, and providing the love and care that that dog was always meant to have.
Other forms of abuse that fall under Ethan's law include abandonment or sealing live animals in containers. Each act of torture can be counted as separate offenses. Reporting in studio, Jose Alonso, WHAS 11 on your side.